Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make iced tea sweet. We'll cover the best techniques for achieving your desired level of sweetness, ensuring your tea is perfectly balanced. You'll learn when to add your chosen sweetener for the best results and explore different options beyond traditional sugar. Get ready to transform your iced tea into a delightful, sweet refreshment. The key to perfectly sweet iced tea is adding your sweetener at the right moment. It's best to incorporate sugar or honey while the tea is still hot, immediately after brewing. The heat helps the sweetener dissolve completely, preventing a grainy texture at the bottom of your glass. Stir it well to ensure the sweetness is evenly distributed throughout your brew before chilling. Beyond granulated sugar, you have several excellent options for sweetening iced tea. Simple syrup, made from equal parts sugar and water, is ideal because it's already dissolved and mixes easily into cold tea. Honey and agave nectar are also great liquid choices, each adding its own unique flavor. For those seeking a sugar-free option, artificial sweeteners like stevia or monk fruit can be used. To achieve your ideal sweet iced tea, always start with a smaller amount of sweetener and adjust to your preference. Remember that cold temperatures can slightly suppress sweet flavors, so taste it once chilled. If you plan to add a lot of sweetener, consider brewing a slightly stronger tea concentrate to maintain a robust tea flavor. Finally, ensure your tea is thoroughly chilled before serving over ice for the most refreshing experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.